Okay, Chamberlain LiftMaster 8365-267 from 2016 was pulled out of the dumpster in 2017 at my local door company by me. Come to find out it had a bad circuit board in it. I believe Chamberlain just told them to replace the unit with a brand new unit and toss this one and they would credit them. That's my guess. Anyway, I put a brand new board in it many years ago after I got it. Had been sitting in storage. There was your tags. But I pulled it out here today, so I'll give you a run. Glad I changed the board when I did, so I didn't have to put one of those garbage MC boards on that's approved by shit overhead.